In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dynamic product tabs in Shopify without using any additional apps. This is a brilliant way to enhance your product pages and organize information for a cleaner user experience. We'll be doing this by modifying your theme's liquid code and utilizing HTML comments to separate content into tabs. Let's dive right in with preparing your product descriptions. First, you'll want to head over to the product editor within Shopify. Once you're in, switch to the HTML view for your product descriptions. This allows you to add specific markers in the text. What you'll need to do is insert an HTML comment tag with the word split in it. Exactly like this, Asai. You'll insert this wherever you want a new tab to begin. For example, if you have content for multiple tabs, you might organize it like this. Start with your content for the first tab, then place a right after it. Next, you add the content for your second tab, followed by another and so on. This simple insertion will guide the split operation in Liquid once we move on to the product template. Now let's move on to modifying the product template. You'll need to access your theme's code editor. By heading to your online store, navigate over to Themes, click on Actions, and then Edit Code. Here you'll find all the files that constitute your theme's backbone. Locate the relevant product template file, which might be named something like producttemplate.liquid or mainproduct.liquid, depending on your theme. Once you have the correct file open, it's time to split your product description and create those tabs. The goal here is to add Liquid code that will manage this for you. By using the split filter in Liquid, you can divide the product description into sections based on where you placed the markers earlier. Following that, you'll set up a loop to go through these sections. Each section will become a tab on your product page, seamlessly allowing users to navigate between different pieces of information. As you write this Liquid logic, ensure that you correctly loop through each split part and define the HTML structure for your tabs. Most themes will encapsulate tab items inside a list structure or a div, so you'll want to mimic this format. And there you have it. You've now set up a system where your product descriptions are dynamically split into multiple, user-friendly tabs without the use of additional applications. This is not just a functional change, but an aesthetic one that keeps your product pages looking tidy and professional. Make sure to preview your changes to ensure everything appears as expected, and tweak as needed for the best possible display. Stay tuned for more Shopify tips and tricks, and until next time, happy editing.